awesome people! We've got 2 sewing ideas that you will want to try as soon as you see them. The first one starts with the scarf being cut. Fold it and leave some marks as shown in the video. That's where you need to cut. You're not done cutting just yet. After cutting always comes sewing. It already looks beautiful, but we can't wait to see the final look of it. It's time to let you know she's making a beautiful dress for little girls. Let's sew the 2 pieces together now. She's not done yet though. Every little detail matters here. Even if you consider yourself a beginner, you can still do these. All you gotta do is follow the steps presented in the video and you will end up with the same results. How cute does this little dress look? Let's see what she's up to now. You can use any other good-looking scarf or shirt for that matter. You're going to love this one. Just wait and see it yourself. These pieces look good. Now let's see what's their purpose. Here's yet another scarf that she wants to transform. It's always a good idea to sew your own clothes. This way, you know you're the only one with that piece of clothing. Turns out, this is where those pieces belong. Go ahead and sew them with a scarf. The sewing machine will offer you the needed help. Almost done now. This is absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching.